To use H&R Block free, start by going to the H&R Block website and selecting the free option. This version is available for simple tax returns and includes free federal filing and one free state return. First, create an account or log in if you already have one. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have logged in, you can start your tax return by answering a series of questions about your income, deductions, and credits. H&R Block will guide you through the process, asking you questions about your W-2 income, any interest or dividend income you may have, and any deductions or credits you are eligible for. You can also import your W-2 information directly from your employer, making the process even easier. As you answer the questions, H&R Block will fill out your tax return for you, ensuring that you take advantage of all the deductions and credits you are eligible for. You can also use the built-in audit support, which will help you in case of an audit. Once you have completed your tax return, you can review it to make sure everything is accurate and complete. If you need to make any changes, you can do so easily. When you are satisfied with your return, you can submit it to the IRS for free. It is worth noting that the free version of H&R Block is only available for simple tax returns. So if you have more complex tax needs, such as investments or self-employment income, you may need to upgrade to a paid version. However, for many people, the free version will be sufficient, and it can be a great way to save money on tax preparation. Overall, using H&R Block free is a straightforward process that can help you prepare and file your taxes quickly and easily. By following these steps and taking advantage of the features and support offered by H&R Block, you can ensure that you are getting the best possible outcome for your tax return.